Alright, I'm going to go over how to create your full width pages and contact pages. So let's go to our dashboard and we'll just start creating pages. So I'm going to go under pages, add new, and I'm going to add a full width example page. And then we'll add some text. And then let's go ahead and publish this page so you can see how a normal page will look. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. And we'll switch over to that tab and you'll see that the normal page has the sidebar by default, and we'll just go ahead and remove that now. So if you go back to the same page you're editing, you can go into this page attributes box, and under template you'll select full width, then update, and now when you refresh the page you'll get a full width page, which is pretty handy. So that's going to cover how to create the full width page. It's just a page template. Now let's go ahead and create a contact page template now. I'll call this contact example. And then there's actually two contact page templates, just like the full width. On the right, you have contact page and contact page full width. So we're going to go ahead and do the one with the sidebar. They both work exactly the same. So let's go ahead and publish this and view the page. And now you'll know in the live preview we have a map and then a contact form. Let's start with the map. The map is super easy. It's actually a shortcode, and we can select this by this green box right here. If you hover over it for a second, it will say insert shortcode, and it will give you these shortcodes. So you can do something like Google Maps, and it's pretty easy. Your location, for instance, let's put in San Francisco, California, and then the zoom is how much zoom do you want in, and you can make the number a large number if you want it zoomed in really close or far away. And then title is just the city, and you can make it as high or as small as you want it. Let's go ahead and make it 400 pixels tall, and the width will always be 100%, so you don't have to worry about that. So let's refresh our page and you'll see our map shows up, and then the title when you click on it. Pretty cool. So that is that shortcode. You can reuse it as much as you want. You can adjust the location to be a city, an exact address, whatever you need. Alright, so then the contact form is actually done with this contact over here, and this is a plugin called Contact Form 7 that we had you install in the initial installation, and it's really easy to use. There's always tips once you click on the contact post type, and by default you'll have a default contact form that already comes installed, and you can just select that, copy the shortcode, and then go back to your contact page, contact us example, and then paste in your shortcode. And then you can update it, and you can see how that looks right here. You can see our contact form and our map just like the live preview, and you can add a heading here or some text as you need, and format it how you like it. So it's all pretty easy to create the contact page. And if you want the full width contact page, you can just select under page attributes full width, and the sidebar will disappear. So it's pretty cool. And just to quickly browse over this contact form again, there's documentation on that, but really you can just edit the form or create new forms under this add new. And if you edit the form, it'll give you all these options for adding more fields and then adjusting who the email goes to. And you can even add a second email as well. It's all very easy to use, and you can add all sorts of good stuff, checkboxes, you know, all sorts of form elements. So that is how to use the contact and full width pages.